I just told Isla that she's getting her very first machine because she likes machines.
Go look behind the boot boxes.
Go look behind the boot boxes. What's behind there? What is that?
What is it?
Yeah. You want to sit on it? Yeah?
Go sit on it.
Come on.
It's for you.
It's for you.
Daddy got it for you.
I know it's old and beat up, but guess what? Me and you can fix it together.
Hello, girl. Wow. Look at Daddy.
Not even excited.
I just don't think she knows what it is.
Oh yeah.
That's all.
Just wait.
Are you cold? Are you warm enough?
She's like, I don't care right now.
Do you want me to videotape?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let's start it.
Watch my Jeep.
You get scared? Go a little bit.
Oh dear.
It's too deep. Push on this, okay? Push on that.
You got it, baby.
Do yourself.
You got it.
It's just like the quad, remember? Remember the quad? Push on this.
Oh, I know. Wow. Was that so much fun? Ever cool?
Hey, what? Is it because I stopped it?
Yeah.
Well, it's almost Christmas in here. Got a bunch of Camaro stuff. This is a front end kit that I ordered 2 weeks before we did the mock-up on the 68 Camaro, which was in September. Today's January 6th, and they just got here. And I've emailed them 2 or 3 times, and not good. They never replied. I asked questions, never replied. I was, if I wasn't busy with work and what's going on around here, I probably would have called Visa and been like, okay, cancel that. I'll just go buy some other stuff, you know. I found a small company, which I thought was a small company, but I don't know. I don't feel like this stuff's going to be any good. So let's just go through it and find out. So I read a bunch of reviews. That's what we ordered. I just wanted everything brand new. So, yeah. I ordered this stuff. This knife is not the sharpest. Terrible. Probably all generic Chinese things. Anyways, I ordered this stuff, and after I sent them a few emails, yeah, made in China, no big deal. Vacuum plates. Backing plates. So yeah, it's supposed to be a whole front end kit. Ooh. Yeah. They sent me the hoses. That's good. Maybe I'll dig into it and not hate it so much. It's for the coilovers. Which I'm guessing are in this box. I'm not a good... Okay, give me a minute. Okay, these are the calipers. They're stock style. It's all good. I just wanted everything new. But... Okay, let's get this open so I can get rid of my anxiety that this shit is junk. If it's not junk, which it might be. But that's okay. Or is it? Yep. Everything is made in China. This fucking company just probably drop shipped it. You know? Fuck. Fucking had again. Yeah, a couple $1,000. Whatever. This, oh, look at this. Look at this. This is the front shock for the coilovers. Look at this. That's the front shock for the coilovers. What is this gonna do? Nothing. Rotors. China. China, China, China. China. Curious how thick this tubing is. So far there's literally nothing that has been made in the States. Yeah, looks cool though. Looks cool. Seems heavy enough. Okay. Whatever.